Imagine waking up to the intense aroma of a freshly brewed coffee. Today, we're diving into the world of Nespresso's filter-style Intense Capsule, a 2023 barista creation's lungo, promising a bold experience. Crafted from South American Arabica beans, this dark roast boasts an intensity level of 7 out of 13. It features sandalwood and smoky notes, designed to be enjoyed as a lungo. It retails at 95 cents per capsule. Despite being marketed as a stronger version of filter-style mild, Nespresso's filter-style Intense feels just as watery as its counterpart, but with a darker kick. Adding milk doesn't improve the experience, rather making its flavor disappear even more. On the brighter side, we suggest having it for breakfast with a slice of buttery toast. When it comes to background music, emo music should be a good match for your filter-style Intense coffee ritual. The packaging doesn't skimp on style or sustainability. 10 orange recycled aluminum capsules are neatly housed in a rectangle black box, echoing Nespresso's commitment to the environment. For more Nespresso capsule reviews, visit www.coffeecapsuleguide.com.